Hey guys, welcome back. Vel here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about 10 things that I wish that I knew before I started my YouTube channel. So it's a new year and I'm thinking that people really are maybe having resolutions as to start their new channel, and I figured that this video would help out a lot because when I was starting out I really didn't see much videos like this, and I just feel like it would have helped me out. That being said, we're just gonna cut to the chase, and I'm gonna go ahead and talk about, like I said, the 10 things that I wish I knew before I started. I feel like we little channels should help other we channels to grow, and if I can help you guys in any way, I would love to. Alright, the first thing that I really wish I knew before like going full on into this is that it's expensive. Like, it's super very expensive, but it does not have to be expensive. You can start off with your phone, you can start off with Walmart lighting. Like guys, if you went back and watched my first video, yeah, I didn't even sit in front of a window, which is a big mistake. But yeah, once you start your channel, you'll see it grow, and if you happen to have like a big growth spurt, then I think it would be good for you to invest in a good camera and some good lighting. I mean, it's expensive, but also if it's something that you know you want to do and that you're very passionate about, I feel like it's no big deal to spend a few $100s on good lighting and things like that, because that's kind of what I did. I really love my hobby. The second thing that I wish I knew would be the hate. Like guys, get ready. Like if you upload a video, put on your hater seatbelt on, because it's gonna be a bumpy ride. People are gonna hate. Not everybody's ever gonna like you, and that's okay. You just be you and don't be somebody you're just not, because then, you know, I guess like just don't be somebody you're not. Just always be yourself and just kind of ignore the hate. Don't feed on it. Like there's a lot of people that I see that reply to the hate comments. Guilty here. I have videos on haters. So who am I to say? But still, just try to like downplay it. Just get rid of it. Don't look at it. Hopefully you guys don't get so much hate. I mean, I wouldn't wish it on anybody because it's disgusting. People that hate on other people behind a computer are disgusting, and it just shouldn't happen. You shouldn't be that type of person if you are that type of person. So alright, so number 3 for me would be background. I know this isn't really a big deal, but it kind of is if you're very serious about like wanting to grow and wanting people to like your videos. Then you should kind of give a little bit of effort. Like, I'm not saying you have to move into a mansion and have the most extreme background, because if you see here, my apartment is no big deal. Like, it's nothing. Clean it up, make sure it's clean and tidy. You know, mine's not like, it's not perfect right now because I kind of just threw this together, but you know, just kind of make sure to have like a little candle lit in the background, some glitter. If you go back and watch my previous videos, you will see that I have like little corners. I always change up my background. I'm a person that gets very bored. I do buy backdrops, and if you guys want a video on like super cheap, inexpensive backgrounds, let me know, because I have so many ideas. Like, I feel like I'm pretty good at DIYs and stuff. So let me know if you want to see a video on that type of thing, and I will be more than happy to. The fourth thing that I wish I knew would be that it is a lot of work. It takes up a lot of your time. You have to be passionate about it. You have to want to create good content. I mean, obviously it's gonna be content is content. You just have to be very passionate about what you're doing. If you're doing beauty videos, try to be in depth, try to be detailed. If you're doing story times, try to talk with excitement, try to be like, you know, if I'm a down person, if you go watch some of my story times, sometimes I'm just like very monotone. Drink yourself a cup of coffee before you start. Take yourself a shot. JK, don't do that. Put yourself in the mood. Just kind of work a little bit harder. Take time to focus on what you're doing and just try to make it as good as you can, because if you're in for it, then you should go all in for it. The fifth thing that I wish I knew was what people wanted. I would usually just go in and film any video that I thought would be okay. What the hell happened? I'm going through puberty. See what's trending. That's what I like to do. I like to go into the trending. I mean, it's 2018, so if you see like this whole January will be a lot of content kind of following the whole New Year's, you know, resolution, all that type of stuff. But yeah, just kind of go along with the seasons. Try to make content that people are looking for, that they're searching for, that they're wanting to watch. Oh, and also go through all your videos. If you've been on here a while, go through and see what works, what videos got more likes, and kind of stick with that and go through that flow. Like, just don't jump all over the place like me, because if you look at my content, it's kind of all over the place. So I don't know, kind of just see what works for you. Number 6, I wish I knew that thumbnails were very important. I really didn't, you know, do too much. Like, now I use PicMonkey.com. It's a free app, and I will go ahead and link a video down below. Now just work on it a little more, add some cute fun colors, some cute little border, little emojis, you know, just kind of work on it. Try to make the emojis pertain to what you're talking in the video. Don't do clickbait. Kind of do clickbait. Like, I'm kind of half and half with clickbait. If you're gonna do it, at least make sure there's like a part of the actual story in the video, because people will get angry and they will unsubscribe and they will not come back. So you just don't want to lose your people because you just want to clickbait all the time. Like, there are some ridiculous clickbaiters. I hate it. It gets on my nerves and I just don't go back. So kind of do you. Also, the thumbnail is the first thing that people see from your video. They're gonna get an idea whether they want to watch it or whether they don't. And you always want to go more on this side. You know, you want people to watch it, make it clear, brighten it up a little, and work on your thumbnail. Just be creative. It's a free app, PicMonkey.com, free. I've always used it. I will forever use it. The 7th thing that I wish I knew before I started my channel was that people will find out. And I'm not just talking about people because everybody's gonna see it. It's on the internet. But like, people you know in real life, oh, that was a hard year for me to like deal with. Now all my friends, all my family, most of them know. I seriously was kind of embarrassed about it. I wouldn't talk about it at all. And now I'm kind of more open to it because I feel like it's okay. You know, I'm me, I'm gonna be me. Like, why hide? But it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be very difficult. It feels disgusting in your, I don't know, it just gets, it's hard. I mean, I've run into people, I've gone into places where like, hey, I actually watch your videos, and I mean, it's just kind of, it's good and it's bad because I don't know, I was just embarrassed. I still kind of get like, you know, I have recently gone somewhere where people were like, hey, you do YouTube videos, and it was kind of like who told you? Like, I need to work on reacting better, kind of just be like, oh, thank you, you know. I sometimes react a little weird. Okay, number 8, I wish I knew that it took time. Like, honestly guys, I've been doing this for a very long time, and it takes time to build your subscribers, build your likes, but don't even look at the numbers anymore. Like, I just don't look at the numbers. Keep it, you know, out of sight, out of mind. I hide my subscriber count. I don't know if that matters. I probably shouldn't, but I don't know. What would you do? It takes time. Like, just keep on putting in the work. If you know you're being consistent, then, you know, people will watch, people will share your videos. Kind of put yourself out there, but it takes time. Be patient, be very, very patient. Don't just start your channel and then have really good, you know, people commenting and wanting to be your friend, and then just quit and leave them hanging, because I guarantee you're gonna lose those people that would have been very, very loyal to your channel. And you don't want to do that. Like, you just go into it with an open mind, be very serious about it. And I love the people that I interact with. Like, I mean, who am I to say, because I just came back from a break, but but you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm trying to say. Oh. Number 9. This is a big one for me. I really, really wish I knew that like a simpler YouTube name would be a lot better, but I didn't. I went for okay, raise your hand. Give me an emoji of a lipstick if you are one that knew me when I was just a touch of blush. Sometimes I'm like, oh dang it, like I should have kept my name. But I don't know, I just felt like being more personable on my channel, and so I chose to be Velma Lee myself, because that is my real name, Velma Lee. And yeah, hopefully you guys, I don't know, I hope I have a lot of you still watching that knew me as just a touch of blush. Like, I will forever keep that name at heart. Like, I opened a studio, a little studio, and it is named Blush, so it's Blush Studio. So I always have, I don't know. You grow, you change, and I'm an older woman now. I should act like one. But I'm an older woman now, and so yeah, I just kind of chose to go with my name. But let me know if you guys, which one you prefer. Just a touch of blush or Velma I. I mean, if you choose like a long ass name like SpaceCat496X24, like that's gonna be hard for people to remember. They're gonna have to like type in all that, Space Cat, like who is gonna be looking up Space Cats? You know, if you are, no judgment. But yeah, pick something that, you know, you can kind of link all your social media. You can be Velma I on Snapchat, you can be Velma I on Instagram. You know, not just a ridiculous name where people are gonna like not remember you. That would suck. So pick something that works and that's small but kind of tells everything about your channel. And it's hard. It's a hard thing to do, but maybe use your name and that would be good. So, and number 10, lighting. Now, like I said, you don't have to go spend a lot of money. You don't have to be super expensive and buy your beautiful ring light and your soft boxes. I mean, I did that over the years. I got them actually as Christmas gifts. The ring light I bought a long time ago, the camera, like everything I invested, you know. I put little by little, I would grow my equipment. But going back to lighting, you don't have to have the perfect lighting, but you really want to make sure that you can be seen, that your background's a little bit seen. I need to speak English. But anyway, if all else fails, at least sit in front of a window. Right now, if you look that way, the window is perfect. Like I really wanted to film in front of there, but I didn't want to show you my bare wall, so it was kind of like pop out the fake lighting. But yeah, so definitely lighting. Like I will put in a little bit of clips where I'm just like taking, it took me like 20 minutes to set this up. Setting up for a video is literally a workout. Because I was super picky. I didn't know if I wanted more of my background lit up or more of me lit up, and so I opt kind of half and half. Hopefully, let me know what you think about my lighting. Like I would really appreciate it, because I'm sitting here talking to myself wondering if it's okay, but if you guys can just like give me a reply and just be like, girl, it looks okay, it looks fine, you know, it's okay, or it could be a lot better. Like let me know. I have my ring light in front of me, and I have my 2 soft boxes on the side, and then I have a lot of natural lighting, but then I feel like it's uneven. But let me know. Also, if you want videos on how I film my videos, if that makes sense. I really want to do videos like that as well. This year, I just want to help you guys out a lot more. I'm not going to worry about myself. Like, I just want videos that you guys want to see. Alright, that's enough rambling. Those are 10 things that I wish that I knew before I started my channel. And hopefully this video helps out at least 1 or 2 of you. And you can take something from this and use it, and yeah, just use it into your life. Use it into your life. Ay, Velmita, ¿qué vamos a hacer contigo? But yeah, I'm excited to be back. Like I missed you guys so much. I'm so excited to be back, and you will be seeing a lot more videos. I know I'm like going all out right now because I'm not working. Your girl's on a 1-week vacation and I don't have shit to do. But I know that I'm gonna want to quit. I'm going to. Like once all these videos, January passes, you know, I'm gonna want to quit. So help me out. Like please comment what you want to see from me. I will do whatever you want. Hey guys, hopefully you enjoyed my video. Also, if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping and subscribing. If you like my content, then go ahead and subscribe, because you will see a video from me every single Sunday. Give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend or something. That's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Decided to take one quick little cruise that ruined the whole relationship.